everyone. We are back on the road again. And I think nasa Virginia kami. So we got a phone call from one of our agent na kailangan namin mag-rescue ng isang truck dahil nasiraan siya. So we have to go get his load and kailangan ilipat sa aming trailer at kailangan namin i-drop off sa pabalik sa Arizona. And that's 2,400 miles we have to drive, and here we go. Wow, ang ganda-ganda dito. It's so green. Lalo na pag spring, lumalabas lahat ng magagandang bulaklak. At saka talagang yung mga trees dito, ang mga dahon lumalabas. Ang gaganda, talagang green na green. Ayan, nakikita nyo ang dami-daming wild pink or purple flowers. Nasa freeway lang. Ang gaganda talaga pag nandito ka sa East Coast. Ang dami pang mga puti, purple or pink.
Love those pink flowers.
Ganda. Enjoy the view. Tsaka sa scenery. Tapos all of a sudden, ayan na, dumidilim. I think uulan. O umuulan na ng konti. So, si Habi ang magdadrive. Kasi may pagkamadulas ang kalsada. So, ayan. It's a little bit cloudy na. But those flowers are so beautiful. It's amazing to me. I love it. Tapos biglang nag-hailstorm. Oh my God. Ang lalaki pa naman ng mga para siyang ice snow na it's a little bit hard bumabagsak. So,
Hailstorm.
Pero ang dami. Nakakatakot. Then we're back to Arizona. So, pagdating namin dun mga afternoon, kumain kami sa Korean barbecue. One of our places that we love to eat is Korean barbecue. And ayan, marami silang mga bachan, mga kimchi kung tawagin. I had some soju, and then Habi had a little beer kasi tapos na kami nag-drive for the day. And then there you go, daming meat, iba-ibang klase kung anong gusto mag-orderin. Mga bulgogi, ganun, marinated siya, corn with cheese, salad, ganun. Enjoy watching, magtakam-takam kayo. After kumain, naglakad-lakad ng konti. Sa tapat niyan, mayroong malaking mall, parang outlet mall. Kaso lang, pagod
I'm
kami.
pretty sure they're gonna start coming, babe.
Bumalik na kami sa truck. Ayan yung stadium dito sa Arizona. Diyan naglalaro ng football, American football game or sports dito sa Arizona. And dito kami nag-park for the night. Diyan kami matutulog until the next morning. Woke up the next morning and then we walked around to check out the place again and have breakfast.
We could plant this,
These
babe.
trees are beautiful. Yan ang mga tree dito sa Arizona pag springtime. Kulimlim ng konti, lakad-lakad. Beautiful morning in Glendale, Arizona. We're gonna go have some breakfast. We're at Westgate and having breakfast at First Watch. While waiting for load-in. It's a beautiful day in Arizona. And we got inside, we got the menu, and have some coffee. Tapos kumuha ako ng pineapple juice. Was so good. And then I have some breakfast chorizo tacos, and then Abby got some chimichangas. Tapos load in.
Gentlemen in that. I was gonna remove that, but it looks like it's a good place to hang your hat.
No, ilagay mo yung hat mo dyan. Oh, ikaw ang maglagay ng hat dyan.
Oh yeah?
Yung hat mo, ilagay mo. Oh,
Oh.
see? Tama yan, ganyan.
See?
Oh, sige, sige. Oh, tama. Thanks for watching.